We're going to have to look at everything, from climate change to what we do about long-standing conflicts. It's really important because if we're going to solve any of the problems that we have, we're going to have to do it through negotiation.
First, to get the big ideas right for the organization, the strategy. Second, to communicate those big ideas, that strategy throughout the breadth and depth of the organization.
Once you have the crisis, people also have to face the reality that this might end without a result. And that generates some creativity.
You will learn how to use a deadlock scenario to your advantage.